welcome to this tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to design and upload a Roblox classic shirt. The very first thing you're gonna want to do is look up Roblox classic shirt template and click on this thing, which is the first thing you have, and click visit. It's going to take you to roblox.com, and if you're not signed in, you'll have to sign in, maybe. You might not have to, because all you're going to do is go down here where it says shirt, and it's downloading the template right there. Oh, here we go. I'm going to hit extract all, browse. I think I'm going to, if I can, for this, I don't know what this is going into. Extract. Okay, so it's going to be right here. Okay, now we're going to go back to Canva. This documents. Oh, here it is. Okay, sure. Template. Use it in new design. I'm going to custom size, create new design. It's just going to use the size of that if you don't mess with any of this stuff. Okay. Now that that's all loaded, you can close out of these tabs if you have them open. You just need this. So you will have to make an account. Probably the first thing you're going to want to do is insert a text box with whatever you want on it. I'm going to, just for this purpose, this is going to be uploaded to our Roblox group. So this is going to be a new shirt design. So I'm going to put the 2 boys and a prayer, just like that. If you don't know, my brother and I have a YouTube channel called 2 Boys and a Prayer. That's really what we've been uploading on. We haven't uploaded a whole lot recently. We've been working on music. Anyways, so now that you got the text in, this thing that says front is where like your text is going to be. If you go too high, you'll end up a little bit off centered, and also you're gonna have to check as you do this. Like once it's done, I'll show you how to test it without having to upload it, and just check from that. You don't have to do this, but your shirt might not look exactly the way you wanted it, and if you can do this, it's better, or else you'd have to pay for the upload and then check it. And then if it's wrong, you have to go back, fix it, pay for the upload again. You end up spending a ton of Robux. Anyway, so I got the 2 boys and a prayer in here. And I think I'm going to just go with the fonts. I've been really liking this. This permanent marker one for our game. I'm just going to go through and pick which font I think looks best. There's a lot in Canva to use. These things with the little crown or whatever this is, those are ones you have to pay for, like have their subscription. So you can't use those or anything that's with that on it. I think I'm just going to leave it with that. I think that looks good. I'm going to go white for now because I don't know what background color I'm going to choose. And we can go back in and fix this later. Okay. What I like to do is for our shirts, like finding like either like one of our song titles or like a Bible verse or something, something else to put on it. We had one shirt that's in our group store that we had our children's church kids design, and it's the cheapest one on there. All the other ones are $29, but that one's $5, so they would be able to get it for a cheap price, and so that one's always going to stay at that price, and our other ones we might lower eventually, but like Roblox takes a certain percentage of what you earn. I think it's like 30% of it, so you don't even get everything you have it set for. So I think like it's like 29, and we actually get like 17 or something out of the Robux, which is kind of weird, but I guess they have to have the Robux for that. That's why it costs to upload a shirt, because then they're kind of getting some of it I got a verse copied. This one. I'm gonna take this out. See this B and this A right here. I really like this verse. I found this Bible study last week. This is one of the verses that was talked about, and I really liked it. So I'm gonna put this on the shirt if I can figure out how to scale it without making it really long. This is gonna go on the back, so we want it above this line, because this is the line that's kind of like your pants a little bit. It's more like your waist, I think. So I'm gonna make it a little bit longer. Hopefully you can still hear me, because I was kind of away from my microphone. It looks really weird with all this in the way, with it labeled. That'll go away once you add your color over it. So now we got the verse, 2 Timothy 1:8. So don't be ashamed of the testimony about our Lord, or of me as prisoner. Instead, share in suffering for the gospel, relying on the power of God. It might be different. It's probably different in other translations. This is Christian Standard Version, or Christian Standard Bible. So we got the 2 verse and a prayer name and Bible verse. You guys don't have to use Bible verses and stuff. I mean, if you want to, you can. I'm just using this as a tutorial. This shirt you can find in our group store when this is done. Alright, so now you're gonna go to Elements, and you're just gonna look up square. And it would be this square frame, I think. Maybe it's in shapes. Yeah, this right here, shapes. Here it is. Okay, so now you're gonna add a square. It's probably gonna be like a random color. You can change that. I'm gonna leave it red for now because I'm gonna change it, but I want to get it scaled in. You're gonna scale it all to fit over this. And right now you can see the text is behind it, or no, is in front of it. You want it like that because if it's like this, if you put it in and it was covering your text probably wouldn't show over the color. It'd be hidden. So we're just gonna bring that back. Now we can change color. I'm just gonna mess around with this thing and see what colors look good. That one looks pretty good. I kind of like the darker blue color. I'm gonna just look up texture. I think that looks good. I don't know if transparency down. I think I'm gonna go down a little bit because that looks kind of harsh. Maybe a little bit more. Now, whoops, we can go in and change the color of our text. This looks cool. This actually matches our Lake Life colors pretty good. It's got, if you play the game, there's the start menu. It's blue background with green text. Well, it's like a bluish green. It's kind of like this. So yeah, I know the text looks really unaligned here, and actually I need to fix this because the texture isn't all the way down. Okay, so now that you have your shirt design, download. Alright, and it'll take a second, and then you can hit download, and it's going to download it. So now, you're going to go back to roblox.com. Wait, actually, no, before you do that, why is that open? This is what I was saying earlier. You don't have to do this if you can't. I know some devices can't have Roblox Studio. You can still design a shirt. You just will have to probably pay to test. We'll go in. This is the old version of Lake Life. So you're gonna launch Roblox Studio. go into a game and you click this, the rig builder, and an avatar. There you go. I'm just going to use my avatar. I'm going to click this and go to rig and shirt template and upload image. Hit create, and it might be lagging. There it is. Here's the shirt. You can see text is in a pretty good spot here. The back, this one actually looks good. Alright, so now we're going to go to roblox.com and you're going to hit create. And this depends on what you're uploading it to. If you're just going to upload it under you, then it would probably be there. Like you could go to your profile. But I'm going to do our group, Two Boys and a Prayer. You can see we have Lake Life right here. We're going to go to Creations, Avatar Items, Classics, Classic Shirts. You can see these are all of our shirts. Some of these are mess ups because this was before I started doing the thing in Studio. So I used to do what I was explaining earlier. Upload it, check it. If it's not good, you fix it, upload it again. But these are all offset. So you can't get the mess up ones. I don't really know why you want it anyway. Anyways, you're going to go to Upload Asset. Upload. And then you're going to click on the shirt that you just made. I'm going to say Two Boys and a Prayer. Blue with green text. I might change that name later, but just for this example. And then I might put the verse in here so people kind of know what's on the shirt. Probably not the best way to do it, but anyways, once you have everything typed in, you have the title in, any description you want, you really don't need to. You could just leave it as shirt, is what they have it. And then it costs 10 Robux to upload a shirt. I don't know if I mentioned that in the beginning. You're going to hit upload for 10 Robux. Alright, so now it's been a few seconds. We're going to go here and find it. You can see it's starting to load in right here. And we already know the shirt is good because we've checked it already, so we don't have to check it. So we're going to hit on sale. Minimum is 5 Robux. You can't go any lower, and you used to be able to do this for free. It's going to set it at 29 like the rest of ours. And then publish item. And that's it. Except I don't know why it says 28. It should be 29. Okay. Now, you will already, if you upload the shirt, no matter if you upload it on your group or whatever, you will already have it. So you don't have to buy it once you've uploaded it. Anybody else that wants the shirt will have to buy it. You'll see we can go to our group store. Where's communities at? I'm still calling it groups even though it's communities. We go group store and it's right here. And I can put it on my avatar. And we can, once it loads, we'll be able to see. I don't know why it doesn't show. Now you have it. So it's free for you if you've uploaded the shirt. Anybody else that wants it has to buy it. You can set this any price you want, I think. I mean, I wouldn't go like 10,000 or else nobody's gonna buy it. I don't know who would, at least. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully that makes sense. There might be some things I missed or didn't really explain very well. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment and I will try to answer them as best as I can. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like and let me know if I should do more stuff like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.